Motorola is all set to rock the mid-budget segment again, with its latest smartphone. Following the success of its previous models, Motorola is gearing up to launch yet another fantastic mid-budget smartphone. In just a few days, under its Edge series, Motorola is about to unveil the Edge 60 Ultra, the successor to the Edge 50 Ultra. In today's video, we'll dive into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So let's start. Features of Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G. Display. The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is expected to come with a stunning 6.78-inch punch-hole display, featuring a 2K resolution. This 3D curved display will be built on a POLED panel, and will support a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. But that's not all. The display will also boast a peak brightness of 3000 nits, and HDR10+ support, for an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, you'll get an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP69 rating for durability, and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. This phone is built to impress. Camera setup. The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is set to be a photography powerhouse, with its triple rear camera setup. On the back, you'll find a 108-megapixel main camera, with OIS support for crisp and stable shots. Alongside that, there's a 64-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 50x hybrid zoom capabilities. For selfie lovers, the phone will feature a 50-megapixel front camera, to capture stunning portraits and videos. Performance. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm fabrication process. This means blazing fast performance, and efficient power consumption. On the software front, the phone will run on the latest Android 15 out of the box, with a promise of 3 years of OS update, and 4 years of security updates. Charging setup. The Edge 60 Ultra will pack a massive 5100 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt fast charging technology. But wait, there's more. The phone will also support 65-watt wireless charging, and 25-watt reverse wireless charging. And with a Type-C version 3 port, you're looking at a device that's ready to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Price and launch date. Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is expected to be priced around $900, making it a strong contender in the mid-budget segment. As for the launch date, Motorola is set to unveil this beast in just a few days.